All right, so guys, we're here. Max and Fix back again with another review. Today, it's the iPad Mini, and we're so excited. All right, I Apple gives us a little rip-off tab. I really want to use this though. I've already started, so it's just it's so satisfying. Rip it off. Look, it's not even a satisfying rip. I still got to do extra pulls. The box is smooth like butter. Hopefully what's inside feels just as great. So we have the iPad mini 64 gig with Wi-Fi capability. All right. Inside the box, it includes the iPad mini, the USB-C charger, charging cable, and the USB-C power adapter. All right. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. I feel like I'm being too delicate with it. Boom. Okay. I thought it was gonna be a rounded back, but it's really just honey, I shrunk the kid's iPad. USB-C adapter and your charging cable as promised. Well, let's take this off. Let's see what we got going on here. Wow. Boom. So this is the iPad Mini. Wow. I don't know why I thought the back was going to be a concave shape. It's really a flat back. Okay. Boom. I'm pretty sure she turns this on. We've got liftoff. This looks like maybe Apple wanted to release an iPhone that was just way too big. And they say, let's just call it an iPad mini. Make it more marketable. I mean, it's a force, but I can hold this with one hand and maneuver it as such, but to actually make do and function with it, I would need both hands. So we got the screen display here. English, United States. Set it up manually. I think I need to call my resources for this Wi-Fi password because that's one thing I'll never remember. Nexus link. Okay. I really don't even know what much to say about this. Okay, so this is the volume button, the power button. Oh, you know what? Isn't this a touch? One thing I've really been enjoying with these, with the new releases, especially with someone who is finally understanding a lot of things, tech, is the refresh rate. There's been a lot of things I've been learning. A lot of things have been in front of my face all of these years, and a lot of things I have not paid attention to, a lot of terms, and a lot of things I've been using that I hadn't known I've been using. And one of the things I realized I've been paying attention to and not knowing how to call it is the refresh rate. And picking up this iPhone 13 just after I'm learning everything, it pulls a lot of things together. It's almost as if it's almost as if I was getting rewarded with something that I wasn't going to get unless I learned about it. Um, yeah, but the refresh rate on these devices are amazing. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Awesome. We're in here and the screen looks delicious. I chose dark mode when I first started it. It asked me if I wanted like I guess a light mode. I didn't pay attention to the other choice. The choice I was interested in was the dark mode. And as soon as I chose that, it brought me into the home screen of the iPad. You could tell, or you can see that it's here with a couple of widgets, um, and other apps. Oh wow, I like how they did that. Just kind of started me off there. Ooh, that refresh rate, baby. You saw how fast that thing went? Ooh, baby. Ow! One thing that I've been so excited about, one of the first things that probably everyone's going to jump to, is this camera. Now, if I don't know how it compares up to the iPhone 13 camera, but I'm definitely interested in seeing how well it performs against the two. Baby, this camera is beautiful. I think huh. I want to take a picture of something nice. Wow. This camera does very well for itself. So I just snapped a few pictures of the headphones. They came through crystal clear. Not a blemish in sight. I've got no notes for this thing. This thing does amazing with the pictures. I feel like there are less options than what I see on the iPhone. All right, that there is, that there is. There's not a cinematic mode on here. I feel like that we knew. But I mean, just going around this thing is a breeze. Wow. But what do I want to try? The focus is a big thing that people have been playing with. I've had my phone all weekend and I'm upgrading from a 10. So I really haven't had a chance to go ahead and delve into all the other features and upgrades that Apple has given us. And that's partly because I've been so impressed by the camera. There is a picture that we took on Friday as soon as we got the iPhone 13, and that picture drew in so much light. We took the same photo on my 10, and talk about leaving someone in the dust. I mean, the picture looks so bad, your monitor just dropped 10 from support. And I'm not even kidding. It was that much of a difference. I'm very interested into seeing what this iPad can do though. Oh, let's go to notes. One of the first things that people, or one of the things that people like to do on here is, toggle with the notes. Let's see. Oops. I wish I had an Apple Pencil. I don't know. Is the Apple Pencil supported by this? I don't see why not. I legit just want to draw. Alright guys, that was our iPad mini video. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. If you guys like what you saw, if you guys have any comments or anything you guys want to get across to us, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to our channel so we know what content you guys care to see going forward in the future. Alright. So yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. Again, this is Dave Gray. I'm at Max and Fix. I'll see y'all next time.